each divided bowl with gift box. And you've got 4 different partitions inside the bowl, each one 1 quart capacity. Look at that. That's 4 different kinds of brownie. I could totally spend some quality time with that and a quart of milk. Yeah, I could. Yeah, I could. All right, this is H231587. Tara Tescher, the president, CEO, and chief designer of Temp-tations, just back from the refrigerator with
coming
her
in with some
charcuterie.
cold. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Nice to have you with us today. This is so extraordinary because what we're talking about is a limited edition bowl. Let me grab one that's empty so everyone can see what we're talking about.
And you grabbed my fave.
How about Winter Whimsy? Look at this bowl. First of all, look at how deep it is.
4 quarts when you think about it.
Right?
Think about that. Right. Yes.
And then on the inside, 4 different compartments, each one holding 1 quart of whatever you put inside.
Love that.
And decorate all the way around with the Christmas lights and the cardinals, of course.
Yes.
And then you're going to find that all this goes into the dishwasher.
Yes.
And there's also a gift box.
Coordinated gift box comes with each. And David, when you see limited edition from Temp-tations, it means that this is what we like to call a one and done. We are not going to bring this piece back.
It's like the calendar.
It's 100%. Exactly. It truly becomes one of those collectible pieces. That's why we did it in our core colors, in our floral lace, in our old world, as well as some of our holiday.
Well, Tara, I know you heard me mention this earlier to Mark Charles. I have a Lazy Susan table.
Oh, do you?
Look at this.
And you brag about it.
Oh, I'm very excited about this
fancy.
Lazy Susan table. All right, so let's talk to you about, we'll start here.
Yeah, where are you going to spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel and start somewhere.
Okay.
Let's start with floral lace and we'll work our way back, Marianne. So this is floral lace in the taupe. Remember, you will get a matching gift box. We just couldn't fit them all on the table.
Correct.
There is the
cranberry,
but not to be confused with the red. 330 in the cranberry, 340 in the red. Here's black, 500 in the black, and there's gray available, and always most popular is the blue, 775. Then I've got Old World. This is your color, the confetti.
I love it. Look at that gift box, too. Every gift box coordinates back to the color.
And then we've got it in the taupe, then the blue, 500 blue, then the gray. The color that started it off for Old World is green. 500 left in the green, and then we have our seasonals. There's Winter Whimsy, 950 left in Winter Whimsy. There's Poinsettia, 1,500 in the Poinsettia, and that is all she wrote.
Isn't that fun?
And already 200 of these are gone. Getting busy, $33.96 is your sale price on this. And if memory serves me, I believe sale price and Easy Pay all go away end of day.
Got it.
Right?
I think you are correct. And you know what else goes away? This, because this is a limited edition, which means that this is truly...
I thought you were going to say the mac and cheese goes away, which it will.
Which it could, by the way. We did a little mushroom mac and cheese. So think of that, 1 quart capacity. We did some peas and bacon here. We did some red peppers here. So you can have 4 different of those mac and cheeses. And the best part, look at that, pulls right, we always joke, pulls right away to, so you can see the pattern. That's what we love about Temp-tations. So whether you're baking it, whether you're serving in it, really what inspired me was being able to have all of my sides in one piece so that I didn't have to have 4 separate bakers, David, that I had to find real estate for on the table.
For Thanksgiving, you got all your side dishes in one passable dish.
One passable dish that I can keep hot in the oven if I want to. All of these pieces still go in the oven, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher.
I'm going to riff on this idea.
Tell me.
What if it's taco night?
Yes.
And I believe every night should be taco night.
I agree with you.
Not just Tuesdays.
It's not this Tuesday business.
Yeah, what's that all about? You could do taco fixins. This would be a baked potato bar.
Love.
Could be all your baked potato fixins, right?
Yes.
It could be chili toppings for your chili night.
Took it right out of my...
Bang, bang, let's do 2. And then we've got all our side dishes here. Stuffing and peas and mashed potatoes. Hello, old friend.
Right.
And then we've got sweet potatoes, which I eat a lot of these days.
Look at breakfast. I love this idea, right?
Scrambled eggs. Delicious ribbons of bacon. I think they call that a whole rasher of bacon.
And we tried to make it healthy by putting, some fruit with it.
You know what? I would eat more salad if they made bacon seeds.
I agree.
Yeah, but salad.
You should invent that.
Yeah, right. Then we've got little French toast sticks.
Yes.
And sausages.
And sausages, and then look at this. This is one of my favorites. I love baking in our pieces because, again, it's metal utensil safe. It's naturally non-stick. 4 individual brownies. Look at that. These you could easily slice into probably 4 to 6 slices, and now you have a ton of dessert in all different flavors that you're able to customize, and notice that it popped right out. Love this.
In the Kitchen Made calendar, there's a Hocus Pocus brownie for Halloween. It's a brownie cupcake with a surprise inside.
Okay.
I can't tell you what the surprise is, but you're going to like it. You're going to like it a lot.
Hey, we all like surprises,
Yeah.
okay?
So
we
this
do.
is very, very popular. Over 1,000 of these are gone.
Thank you, everybody.
Terra is not bringing this back in. This is what we call a limited edition, much like the calendar.
That's right.
When they're gone for good. This is something that she's doing for all of you as a very special holiday offering. So please don't miss out on this. It is just perfect. Let's go through all of our colors. We'll start here with Old World, and we'll come back to the green, which is here. $470 in the green. Then I've got gray, $950. Then the blue, $470. Then the taupe, and then the confetti. Only 1,000 in that confetti. Then we go into floral lace blue, inky cobalt blue,
Love
$650.
Gorgeous.
Most popular. There's gray, black, and look at how the pattern that's carved in pops against these darker colors.
Gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like
400
toile
black.
to me.
Oh my word. There is the red, $250 in the red. There's the cranberry, $275, and here is taupe available. And then we go into our seasonals. This is poinsettia, $1,400 in the poinsettia. Hey, Winter Whimsy.
So cute.
Half gone in Winter Whimsy. I know we're getting a little glare right there. What I want to
Thank
remind you is that you have Wembley,
Yep.
the reindeer, hello. And then we have Mr. Bojingles, Gumdrop, and Penny the Penguin.
And then on the side, it actually has all of those oversized light bulbs, those C9 with the cardinals floating around. So no matter which way you're looking at this, whether it's the decorative rim, the border, whether it's around the sides,
Or on the
inside,
gift box.
and then the gift box has all of the cute little characters. This is such a great way, such a great hostess gift to bring because you have 4 sections. It's 4 quart total. It's a bowl instead of being a flat plate. And our divided pieces are always super popular because there's a lot of times we're trying to keep things hot at the same time or cool at the same time. Now you can tuck this whole thing right in the fridge,
It's
tuck
a
it in the
bowl
oven.
slash platter.
Yes, you're right. Customizable platter.
A customizable bowl platter.
Okay.
How about that?
I mean,
With a gift box.
bow and go.
Bow
I just
and, well,
love
I
this.
don't even think you have
can't.
to bow. I think you just have to go.
You're right. You just have to go. Let me pop this bad boy out again because I love this again. And here's what we love about baking in Temp-tations. You have that ooey gooey brownie texture there. The heat actually hugs your food. So what's wonderful about that is you don't, oh, that was funny. You don't have to, again.
We thought something was on fire.
I did actually. I'm like, something's sizzling. You don't actually have to put butters or oils or any extra added fats. 4 section dividing, whether it's charcuterie, whether it's mac and cheese, whether it's all your sides, brownie bars, anything you need to customize, this is your go-to dish to do that.
Now, the one thing that we did not do in this was woodland.
Yes,
So
correct.
be aware, we've got our woodland mugs out here. I
We
didn't want
do.
anyone to be confused about that, but what a nice corresponding item, right?
Yes, perfect, exactly. And I love, again, there you're looking at the floral lace, as David mentioned, carved into the side of the stoneware, color saturated around it, and then that beaded border, absolutely beautiful. So this is truly that piece that takes you from everyday to holiday. And whether you're trying to put out apps or you're trying to put out desserts or you're trying to put out your side dishes, like I said, this will be the go-to. And all come individually gift
And
boxed.
everybody's loving the gift
Yeah.
boxes. I can tell you now, we've taken orders for 2,000 of these are gone, and we have how many folks waiting to place? 500 people on the ordering lines, not
great,
just phone
great.
lines. Ordering
right,
lines.
on the ordering lines.
On the ordering lines. I'm having to change my vernacular. This is H231587, and Tara Tesher, thank you
Adore
first for
you.
being
Thank
here.
you. Wonderful to see all of you
And
again.
thank you so much for
Oh my
bringing in
gosh,
great
of
items for the
course,
holidays.
yes.
And if you're looking for other goodies, remember, everything's on 5Pay until midnight tonight, so you can check out Temp-tations on QVC.com.
Awesome. See you soon. And that calendar,
Can't wait. 1 week from today. All right. It's a one-time only value, and it's time for us to get busy baking. I'm going to come through this back door by the Christmas tree.